Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the pastel egg charm in Visit. So in this latest Visit Easter update, there's a brand new charm that called pastel egg charm. And to get this charm is very easy. First, just go to the Easter island and then just enter the Easter cave like this. But to enter this cave, you need to unlock the mosaic door. And if you don't know how to unlock the mosaic door, you can just take the tutorial link in the description to watch the tutorial. And after that, once you arrive at this cave, just go to this area, and then you will get this white box. That in here you can buy the pastel egg charm for 10,000 coins. Just tap on yes, and then you will get the new charm, pastel egg charm. This one. And then in here you can use this charm for 100 cards, and in here this charm will give you extra pastel luck while fishing on this cave. So if you are trying to catch more event fish or to catch more pastel mutations, you can just using this charm. And okay, that's how you can get this pastel egg charm in Visit. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.